How to deposit funds into your BingX account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can easily deposit funds into your BingX account super quick and easy. First of all, launch open your BingX account, and then once you're inside the home page, make sure that you've also completed your identity verification to make your first deposit. If you haven't done that yet, do it right away. And once you've done it, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Assets button. Now, click on the Deposit button under Assets and then select one of the deposit methods. If you have cryptos, you can click on Crypto Deposit and transfer from other wallets. If you have no cryptos, then you can also quickly buy it, transfer it via P2P trading or fiat deposit. I'm just going to click on the Crypto Deposit button at the top of the screen since I have a crypto in one of my wallets. Simply click on that and don't forget to complete your KYC verification. If you haven't done that yet, you will not be able to deposit any cryptocurrencies. Simply go ahead and complete it right away. BingX will ask you to do a quick check here. So after completing your KYC, go ahead and follow through the on-screen instructions and you will be able to deposit your cryptocurrencies using one of your external wallets or using the quick buy option, P2P trading, or fiat deposit options. So that's the process, how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.